Salut tout le monde. Hi everyone. Welcome to the new episode of Authentic French. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to use the pronoun I. The pronoun I in French. The pronoun I in French. The pronoun I replaces a place. A place is introduced by a preposition of place which can be a, the preposition a in French, but also other prepositions such as sur, sous, en, au, etc. Examples: je vais à Paris. In this case, Paris, which is a place, will be replaced by the pronoun I in French. And when a pronoun replaces a noun, the pronoun is located just after the subject of the sentence. For example, je vais à Paris. J'y vais. Je vais en France. J'y vais. Je vais en France. J'y vais. So in this case, the I is replacing places in the sentences that we have seen. The pronoun I replaces adverb of place. Replaces adverb of place in a sentence, as we have seen in the sentences. Je vais à Paris, j'y vais. Je vais en France, j'y vais. Je vais au Japon, j'y vais. Je vais au Japon, j'y vais. Note: the key is to know well the rules on prepositions of place in French. The pronoun I also replaces a thing, but never a person. The pronoun I also replaces a thing introduced by the preposition a or o. A est l'apostrophe or ala. Ala. But remember, never a person. The pronoun I never replaces a person. So let's look at some examples. Je pense à mon travail. Je pense à mon travail. J'y pense. J'y pense. Je pense à mon travail. J'y pense. I'm thinking about my work. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about my work. I'm thinking about it. Je réfléchis aux problèmes internationaux. Je réfléchis aux problèmes internationaux. J'y réfléchis. J'y réfléchis. I am pondering international. I am pondering international problems. I am pondering international problems. I am pondering them. Or similarly, I am thinking about international problems. I am thinking about them. Note: you must know the verbs that are followed by a. You must know the verbs that are followed by the preposition a. Very necessary in order to use this pronoun appropriately. You need to know the verbs that carry the preposition a. Exception. Exception. Note that when a verb is followed by a, the preposition a, plus a person, the preposition a plus a person, you need to use an indirect object pronoun. An indirect object pronoun such as me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. We will be talking about object pronoun in another lesson. Examples. Je parle à Pierre. Je parle à Pierre. Je lui parle. Je parle à Pierre. Je lui parle. I am speaking to Peter. I am speaking to him. In this case, we have a person, hence there will be no need for the pronoun he, but rather an indirect object pronoun. Or a stress pronoun. In the case of a stress pronoun also, we don't use the pronoun he. Example of the stress pronouns are moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. Exemple, je pense à lui, je pense à lui, je pense à lui. I am thinking of him. So let's recall what we have just learned. The first case, the pronoun he replaces a place. As we've seen in an example, je vais à Paris, I'm going to Paris. J'y vais, I'm going there. Je vais en France, I'm going to France. J'y vais, I'm going there. Je vais au Japon, I'm going to Japan. I'm going to Japan. J'y vais, I'm going there. Then secondly, we also say that the pronoun he also replaces a thing introduced by the preposition a or o or a l'apostrophe or a la. So those are the cases we've seen. Example of the second case, je pense à mon travail, I'm thinking about my work. J'y pense, I'm thinking about it. So that will be all for today. See you in the next episode. And don't forget to comment your topic that you would want me to treat in the next video. Au revoir.